Hello everybody and welcome back to Moga Dishes. Today we are going to be making some pasta. We're going to start off by grabbing 2 pounds of ground beef and adding it into your non-stick pot. You're also going to want to keep it at medium heat. And then adding the juice of 1 whole lemon into it. And then you're going to want to add a tablespoon of minced garlic. Once it becomes a little brown, you're going to want to add 1 tablespoon of Maggi seasoning and 1 tablespoon of my personal seasoning. For more information about that, it will be in the description box down below. Then you're just going to want to let it sit for 5 minutes. You're then going to want to add half a cup of vegetable oil. I use grapeseed oil, and 1/3 cup of minced garlic. I then add around 3 to 4 cups of tomato paste or tomato sauce. You could add any one you'd like. I then add 3 to 4 cups of water. I then add my pasta into my mixture. You could add any pasta you'd like. This is the one I use. I add 2 packs of powdered cheddar cheese. I then add a few handfuls of mozzarella cheese. You could use any cheese you'd like. I then oil my baking tray and put my pasta mixture onto it. I cover it with aluminum and I put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 15 minutes. And here you have the final product. It's really filling and obviously it tastes amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below any other foods you'd want me to make. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And subscribe for more videos. And make sure to click that bell notification button to be notified whenever I post. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!